Hi everybody, so I wanted to share today about this really nice Nulaxy laptop stand. It holds laptops up to 16 inches and it is adjustable in aluminum and really easy to set up. So I just wanted to show you how convenient this is depending on whether you work at home or you want just kind of like a way to get your laptop raised off your desk at work. It's really handy, really convenient. So let's open it up and talk a little bit more about this cool little gadget. So when you open it up, it comes with the instruction manual, but you'll also see it just kind of comes in these really easy to set up pieces that are really high quality material. You can tell right from the get-go this is a really high quality item. It looks really nice in this aluminum color and it just is so easy to set up. So I'm going to show you how. So when you open it up, you'll find 3 pieces inside. So what you're going to do is just insert them really easily, the other 2, into this one. So setup is super easy, super quick, and then look how convenient this is. So you can put your paperwork or your books or whatever right on top of here as it's sitting on your desk, and then your laptop will have such good ventilation because it's just being held up on either side by the little stands. And all of this is open for a fan. It can support laptops up to 16 inches and 22 pounds, and it's made of a really high quality material, so it will last for a very long time. Not only is it so convenient that it has the fan underneath so you don't have to worry about your computer overheating at all, you can also adjust it. There are little buttons on the back so you can just adjust it to whatever height you need that works best for you in whatever you're working, whatever kind of situation you're working in. So it's just really easy and convenient to use. Another great aspect about this is you don't have to worry about your laptop slipping off. It has these little curved edges so that your laptop stands securely. It also has a grip on the bottom to hold to the desk, as well as one on top to hold and give just kind of your laptop a little more security. So overall, if you work from home or work from an office and you just kind of want to get your laptop lifted up so it's safer from any possible water spillage, you just want to have a little more desk space and be a little more organized, this Nulaxy little desk stand riser for your laptop is amazing and definitely worth checking out.